Hello, my good people. Today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to apply for a UAE Police Clearance Certificate, PCC, through Dubai Police, specifically for individuals who are inside the UAE on a visiting visa and want to use the PCC to change their visa status to an employment visa. Step 1. Search for the official Dubai Police PCC page, open Google, and type Dubai Police Clearance Certificate. From the search results, click on the first official link, dubaipolice.gov.ae. This is the verified Dubai Police website. Once the page loads, you will see the Dubai Police logo and the PCC service information. Step 2. Sign in as a guest. The system will prompt you to log in using UAE Pass. UAE Pass is only for individuals who already have an Emirates ID. Since you are on a visiting visa, select Continue as Guest. This option allows visitors to apply without an Emirates ID. Step 3. Read the PCC instructions. Carefully before filling out the form, take a moment to review the important details. Fees: Citizen, AED 100 Resident, AED 200 Outside, UAE, AED 300 or USD 88. Knowledge and Innovation Fee, AED 20 additional fee at service centers, AED 100 required documents for applicants outside. UAE, passport copy personal, photo previous residence visa, copy working hours digital. Channels: 24/7 police stations, 7:30 a.m., 10 p.m. Smart Police. Stations: 24/7 important conditions. You may apply using a valid or expired Emirates ID number. All information submitted must be accurate. Misuse of the certificate may result in legal action. Applicants without an Emirates ID must visit a police station for fingerprinting. Fees are non-refundable. The certificate is valid for 3 months from the date of issuance. Step 4. Start filling the application. You will see 4 stages: application details, review payment confirmation, apply can't details user, type, Select Visitor inside UAE. Doesn't hold Emirates ID Unified Number, UID. Enter the UID number exactly as shown on your visiting visa. Email address, enter an active email. This is where you will receive your payment receipt and the police station instructions for fingerprint registration, application, details email. Enter your active email. Purpose of certificate. Issuing a representative permit, naturalization and residency. Department, this is the correct option for visiting visa. Holders changing status to employment. Visa, requesting entity, private sector certificate language. English, there are many options in the drop-down menu, but for visiting visa status change, these selections are the correct ones. Step 5. Review your information. The system will display a review page. Check all details carefully because, once you make the payment, the fees are non-refundable. If something is incorrect, press cancel and make the necessary changes. If everything is correct, press next. Step 6. Mobile number and OTP verification. Enter a UAE mobile number to receive the OTP. If you don't have one, you can use a friend's or colleague's number. Once the OTP is received, enter it in the boxes and proceed. Step 7. Payment. You will now see the payment summary. PCC fee, AED 200 knowledge and innovation fee, AED 20 total. AED 220 payment methods include credit, debit card, net banking, Apple Pay, Dubai Pay. Choose your preferred payment method and complete the transaction. Step 8. Confirmation and fingerprint instructions after payment. You will receive a payment receipt, an email from Dubai Police, a notification showing the police station assigned for your fingerprint registration most visiting visa applicants are directed to. Port's police station. Go to the assigned station for biometric fingerprinting. Step 9. Fingerprint registration. Visit the assigned police station with your passport, payment receipt, email confirmation. After fingerprinting, Dubai Police will begin processing your PCC. Step 10. Receive your PCC once approved. Your police clearance certificate will be sent to your email. You can also download it from My Requests on the Dubai Police website. Application status using your reference number. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you want me to cover PCC for embassy use or job change, just let me know. I will prepare a full guide.